Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 18th of November. Cancer, oh my God. God, but just want to send a thank you this morning that you have blessed me with Mike Tyson's butts. I like my butt and I can't not lie. These other niggas can't deny. Oh my God, God has blessed me, Mr. Mike. What is wrong with him? Mike Tyson is a Cancer, which is usually really nice, really so gentle, so nice, so sentimental. Like, what the fuck was that? I love it. I loved it. I loved it. I can't believe they even showed that on TV. I cannot believe I woke up to seeing that on my X platform. But all I can say is, Mike, thank you for blessing me with that ass of yours. You want to ask her up? Ah! But not lie, I love it. I love it. I love it. This is what I live for. Mike Tyson! What the fuck? You might be dealing with a Libra. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's say, I couldn't believe Mr. Mike, but I've seen Lenny Kravitz's bottom. Wonder if I will ever see you. No, Mr. Mike Tyson's ass, mashallah to the gods. 4 packs of sugar, 4 sucres de sac, 4 sacs de sucre, 4 sacs de sucre. Mike Tyson, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's see what your overall message is. I show my ass. I show my ass. Man, I show my ass. Sorry. Let's go. Let's see what your overall message is, Cancer. We got the 8 of Cups. No, 8 of Pentacles coming on first. I'm getting your work, your display. Or I'm getting your retiring. Your retirement, so bye. Yeah, Mike knew a lot of people would have been butthurt. So he showed his butt before he knew that he had to play a scripted role. And big up to Jake Paul, man. Jake Paul bowed to Mike at the end of it. Big ups to Jake Paul. I know a lot of people don't like him, but big ups to Jake Paul, okay? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We got Sagittarius coming out first, the angel. Yes, Mikey, I'm an angel, Mike. I never see a man ass, so I'm fantasize over, but I just want. I'm so sorry, Mike ass look good. How old is Mike Tyson? Why my ass look so good? Is that what gym? That's not gym, that's a boxing. That is not gym, that's boxing. 58 years old. Mike's bum is on my lips. Mike's bum is on my lips. Okay, so I'm getting a Sagittarius, I'm getting the angel, okay? We have the 3 of Cups, so I'm getting a lot of women. Something is attracting a lot of women towards you. Maybe you're a woman magnet, or I'm getting the women that's made their statement. The women has made it clear that we like Mike Tyson's ass. We do. We have made it very clear. And we have the king of, except for one bitch. Oh, it's Candice Owen. I bet you Candice Owen. I bet you a blood clot Candice Owen. I don't know, because usually a person who is fighting, boxing, I mean, and it makes people, it makes me question what was his motives. Man, shut the fuck up. Let me see that ass, man. Shut the fuck up, man. Me getting all the women are on this except this woman. She's a Libra Aquarius, Gemini woman. So she's a woman who have something to say about whatever you're doing. Whether she wants to say you're doing this because he's a prison boy, because you want man no say man no that you're retiring. Regardless of why she's doing this, I'm getting, yeah, women are attracted to you. But you have this hating ass bitch who obviously she's a girl and the man still don't want to see her ass. Yeah, so she has said you do this because you're homosexual, you're doing this because you want attention, you're doing this because you're coming out, blah blah blah. You're coming out and no man now come in her. So this is the issue. Yeah, we have the 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, nobody's patronizing her. Shut up about your work. Me getting something this woman is saying something about your work, or me getting she patronizes you even though she act like she's not a fan. We have the 8 of Cups. We have the High Priestess, like you know something, you know. We have a Death card, one more. And we have the Eight of Bumbleclot. Alright, another story me getting you used to work for some people, I used to work for this man. Now the man found you the man think you're very smart. Me getting the man start pairing with 3 girls. You and 3 girls supposed to get paired together. I don't know if it's the wife or the boss or somebody up in the company. Apparently they have noticed your work and them kind of noticing you're gaining a lot of attraction. So me getting sugar ask the girl them who you pair with for take you out and drunk you off. Me getting you and some co-workers supposed to go out, go to a bar and get drunk. You see when you get drunk, you go to the bathroom and then you go missing. Somebody will take you from the bathroom while you're intoxicated. That's what will happen to you. Me getting something about, I don't know if your boss like you, or there's a Gemini, Aquarius, Libra woman who like her boss, but the boss like you. She will tell up your co-worker them for bring you out. She basically pay your co-worker them to get rid of you. Me getting you're going to be getting rid of. Or maybe this is what happened at your last workplace. Me getting the boss did like you. A lot of girls did like the boss, but the boss like you. So there's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius girl who pay this man to kidnap you. So you could have leave the organization. Maybe kidnap you and then kill you. But me getting you know who the girl is. You know who the guy is. Me getting you know about that. Me getting you know a lot about this workplace. Me getting the workplace actually have bodies underneath them. This workplace is actually a workplace when they go and people not like each other or people want to hide secrets like don't get out. They actually, in the workplace, them actually organizing the death. And then the whole workplace would say, she retired. The whole workplace are going to say you're retired or you never show up for work or we don't know what you're talking about. And can Mother Community Center, that is at Decanary Avenue, you can take me off on the blood clot employment thing. When I still have me employed down there. It's been 3 years and I still have me on Mother Community Center employment list. I am still there. Why? That's why I can't get no blood clot job because they think me at work down there. So I'm not in Quebec. You want me to come back to Quebec? Send me a fucking taxi and give me the basement in that fucking Jewish community center like I told you to do so that I could stay there, live there and fucking clean the Jewish community center at 3 o'clock in the morning before anybody come in, right? But I never want to listen to a nigga. I'm going to see what is in your other cards and I'll leave it here. Me getting you are stir big waves in the company, so apparently you are getting a little bit too fond of the boss. So they paid a man to take you away from the company and kidnap you, maybe even kill you. Me getting this woman. Maybe she was dating a Sagittarius and the Sagittarius liked you. I'm getting, that's why you were paid to go bye-bye, because the Sagittarius liked you. The Empress. How could the Sagittarius not like you? You're the Empress. Genius IQ, and I'm getting you outsmarted everybody. We have Virgo. We have Kundalini. We have Trust No One, and we have F them all. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.